welcome to the 4th video in the Advent Calendar series.
Let's go!
And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you can catch these at 10 a.m. Central Time every single day.
And hit the bell so you'll be notified.
So what's gonna happen is we're gonna open up a lot of these things, and inside are 5 different items for 5 different kids. There's one right there that you can't see. Oh, now you can. There's one right there. That one's like 2 days old. We've got one there that's like 8 days old. Got one here that's like 15.
I'm -5.
There's a catch to this episode though. I'm not gonna tell you who built this thing. You're gonna have to go to the previous video and watch that to see who built this thing.
It was our dad.
That person built it with the beautiful golden edges.
Brad Paisley built it. All right, let's get on. We love you, Brad Paisley. All right, let's get right on.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4 is this box right here. There's also not a card again.
We're gonna take whatever these things
Hey.
are.
Oh.
Scooby-Doo.
Tangle-free earphones. You wrap around
What's on?
the base of your earbuds. You cover them. Wrap around, cover, and finish off.
Alright, so if you guys have ever built a computer before, which I haven't, but I know how it works, you wrap these around the power supply cords to make them different colors, and it makes your computer look really cool. But
Strengthen the core?
yeah, but it's also like a, so like if you spill stuff, it's just aesthetic.
Hamilton Bowl.
Thank you, Hamilton Bull. For
Thank
sending
you.
us these.
Thanks for the free product. All right, Noah. Deliver us from evil. What is that? Demonetized.
How do you see the world? 100 cards, 500 questions, original game, a card game to challenge your perspective.
This is an icebreaker game for Noah since he's going off to college. Thank you for the free product, by the way.
Thank you for the free product.
You sound like Shy and Awkward back.
Authentic Agility. Thank you for the free product, Authentic Agility.
Show thing. I am them.
I like the way this box is.
Whoa, those are some stairs.
Mine.
Whoa!
No, it's not yours.
Where do you come from?
Where did you go?
Earth.
Name 5 of your favorite things. Well, you got,
Cheerios.
yeah.
Sleeping.
No, who has shaped your
Sleeping.
beliefs the most?
Huh?
My
Elon
P-Rants.
Musk! And also my dad.
My P-Rants.
P-Rant.
Elon
That's how
Musk.
life works.
And also my mother. Alright, guys! Jouet et bois.
Micah, present.
Jouet. Oh, Jouet et bois. Whatever this is. Oh, it's from Micah! Micah, look! It's a car!
Can you show the box?
Who sent it?
Who sent?
Moulin.
It's a school bus.
I've never heard of these.
Is it made out of wood?
Moon.
Let's find out, guys. It's a car. Micah, this is really
In a different language.
Micah, you ready?
I don't have sharp. Micah, I don't have sharp nails. I'm sorry. Alright.
We short for Moulin. Thank you, Moulin Roti, for sending us this. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right.
Moulin, thanks for the free product.
There you go, Micah. There's a donkey in there.
Thanks,
Yay,
Susan.
Micah! Micah's putting him in the right spot. It's so cute. Good job,
These scoop things
Micah.
are interesting.
I could do that when I was 1 month old. Dog.
My Karuba.
Leo's on the school bus.
Alright, guys. So this is something that Father broke the handle on. I washed
No, I did it.
Jordan broke the handle.
Oh no, I did it on another one.
Alright, this is called a beef mola.
The Mola.
It is model number NCC01804. This is an air purifier.
This is another version of the air purifier that we showed in Baby Month Update a while ago.
If you caught that.
It keeps the room odor-free, and it helps keep the air clean.
So you don't smell the smell of the babies.
Alright, guys. Wait, no. Oh,
You didn't savor the
I should have
peelies.
peeled it off on camera.
It's
savor
a
the
pretty
peelies.
color.
But yeah, look at that.
Currently we're showing our house, and to just tell you how amazing this little product is that packs a lot of punch, someone was seeing our house and they didn't even know that we had cats. And that's because of this thing. It enveloped our cats and they were inside of it. And she could not see them. So she didn't know we had cats.
It just got rid of the smell.
Thanks, Bamola.
So thank you, B-Mola, for the free product. So thank you for watching this episode of We Open Things, and you can play it watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Bye.
See you next time, YouTube. Do they have a T5 bit?
Click these rectangles, watch our videos, and click this 7, subscribe. See you tomorrow, hopefully at 10.
I don't have them labeled.
Definitely at 10. Turn on that bell.
Turn it on. Clap it. Yum yum.